Hey, what's up, guys? So, when I was doing the part one video, it actually cut me off really quick. Like, it was pretty fast. Like, I was setting it up, and then from my iPhone, because I am taking the video from my iPhone, it was pretty fast. Like it almost instantly, it linked it up together really fast, and that's why it cut off from the part one. So now I'm doing the part two because, like I said, I got cut off. It linked up, synced them really, really quick, and I can't wait to try this out. It is doing a software update, uh, as you can see. So I'm pretty stoked about this. I can't wait to try it out and do the whole ecosystem of Apple. That's why I went back to the Apple from Galaxy Note 8, because you just don't get this, from the Samsung, from Android, like the way Apple does. And that's pretty cool. Like, you gotta admit, it is pretty nice that the ecosystem works the way it works. Couldn't complain. I mean, you do have some stuff, that Apple can do that Android can do, but then you have some stuff from Android can do that Apple can't do. And I mean, vice versa. Whatever you like, it's up to you. But I'm glad I went back to the Apple. And so as soon as this thing is finished updating and software update, all that stuff, I'm gonna post another picture and kind of walk you through and do some quick little tips stuff. And yeah, that's it. Well, thanks. Give me a thumbs up, guys, and look forward for part three now. So you guys have a good day. Talk to you guys. Give me a thumbs up. You gotta subscribe. Like I said, I throw all kinds of different fucking videos. Like, it doesn't matter what it is. I just throw it up and see if you guys like it. Cool. If not, give me a thumbs down. Whatever. Talk shit. Whatever you guys want. But cool. Talk to you guys later. Bye.